So you have here first your, it is your Nintendo Switch pouch bag. It's like a pouch bag. It's not leather, but it's like, I don't know what kind of material is this, but it has this button lock here. You have now the part which you can put your switch right here. Cartridges right here. We have also some pockets. And then, we also have here your, tadan, it's a controller cover for our Nintendo Switch. So, you can see there, tadan, you have the last thing that we have right here is this one. This is your controller grip here first. Wow, and hear that? You have here your blue. Can you see it? That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake Lapaka signing off, and good night. Goodbye.